Hi everyone, my name is B. Varun. I am from CSET section. Today's my concept video topic is Python comparison operators. The contents in my topic are Python comparison operators, types of comparison operators, greater than operator, example of greater than operator, less than operator, example of less than operator, equal to operator, example of equal to operator, not equal to operator, example of not equal to operator, greater than or equal to operator, example of greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator, example of less than or equal to operator. Now moving on to the next slide. Python comparison operators. Comparison operators are used for comparing the values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. These operators are also known as relational operators. Now moving on to the next slide. Types of comparison operators. Greater than operator. True if the left operand is greater than right. Less than operator. True if the left operand is less than the right. Equal to operator. True if both operands are equal. Not equal to. True if operands are not equal. Greater than or equal to operator. True if left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Less than or equal to operator. True if left operand is less than or equal to the right. Now moving on to the next slide. Now let's see each comparison operator one by one. First, greater than operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Syntax is x greater than y. Now moving on to the next slide. Example of greater than operator. This is a screenshot of the execution. This is the input. A is equals to 9, b is equals to 5, print a greater than b. Here output returns as true. So this is called greater than operator in comparison operator. Now moving on to the next slide. Second one, less than operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is less than the right operand. Syntax is x less than y. X less than symbol y. Now moving on to the next slide. Example of less than operator. Now this is the screenshot of the input. This is the screenshot of the output. In input, A is equals to 9, B is equals to 5, print A less than B. Here the output returns as a false because A is less than 5. Here A is greater than 5, but it's less than operator, so it's false. Now moving on to the next slide. Third one, equal to operator. This operator returns true if both the operands are equal, that is, if the left operand and the right operand are equal to each other. The syntax of equal to operator is x is equal to another is equal to symbol y. Here for equal to operator we should use two is equal to symbols. Now moving on to the next slide. This is the example for equal to operator. This is the screenshot of the input. This is the screenshot of the output. Here in input we give A is equals to 9, B is equals to 5, print in the brackets A double is equal to symbols B. Here the output returns false because the left operand is not equal to the right operand. Now moving on to the next slide. Fourth one, not equal to operator. This operator returns true if both the operands are not equal. The syntax of not equal to operator is x exclamatory mark is equals to y. This symbol represents the not equal to operator in Python. Now moving on to the next slide. Example for not equal to operator. This is the input. This is the screenshot of the input. This is the screenshot of the output. In input, we give A is equals to 9, B is equals to 5, print in brackets A exclamatory mark is equal to B. This is the input and we get the output as true because the left operand is not equal to the right operand. Now, moving on to the next slide. Fifth one is greater than or equal to operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. The syntax for greater than or equal to operator is x greater than and equal to symbol y. Now, moving on to the next slide. Example for greater than or equal to operator. This is a screenshot of the input we give, and this is a screenshot of the output we get. In input, we give a is equals to 9, b is equals to 5, print a greater than or equal to b. The output returns as true because the left operand is greater than the right operand. Now, moving on to the next slide. The sixth operator is less than or equal to operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. The syntax of less than or equal to operator is x less than symbol equal to symbol y. Now moving on to the next slide. This is the example of less than or equal to operator. This is the screenshot of the input we give, and this is the screenshot of the output we get. In input, we give a is equals to 9, b is equals to 5, print a less than symbol equal to symbol b. Here, the output returns as false because the left operand is greater than the right operand. It means it's false. Now, moving on to the next slide, that is thank you slide. Thank you everyone.